Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Renko Scalping EA for MT4, and I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discussing the features described by the developer, reviewing the strategy concept behind the EA, and then looking at the historical backtest results and overall performance observations. Okay, so starting here on the Marketplace page, Renko Scalping EA is available for 60 US dollars with a 3-month rental option priced at 30 US dollars. The developer is Miroslav Stachowiak, and the version currently displayed is version 1.6, updated on April 12th, 2021. Looking at the product description, the developer presents this as a simple and effective trading approach built around Mean Renko candles and moving averages. The EA is described as being capable of trading fully automatically, which means the trade execution process can be handled by the expert advisor once it has been properly configured. As I continue through the description, the developer places significant emphasis on the use of Mean Renko candles. According to the information provided, these Renko boxes help filter out price ranges and make charts appear cleaner and easier to interpret. The idea is that by reducing some of the market noise typically seen on conventional charts, it becomes easier to distinguish between trending and consolidating market conditions. The developer also explains that standard moving averages are combined with the Renko chart structure. Together, these components are intended to provide a clearer overview of market direction and overall price behavior. Another point mentioned on the page is the focus on capturing smaller market movements. According to the developer, the use of Mean Renko candles can help identify multiple opportunities throughout the trading day. The description also notes that traders may be able to focus on one or two instruments rather than constantly searching across numerous markets. There is also a reference to instructions for creating an offline chart, you know, and configuring the EA settings, which suggests that proper setup of the Renko chart environment is an important part of using this expert advisor as intended. Now, let us move into the backtesting section and examine the historical testing performance. All right. When reviewing historical backtests, I always, try to focus on how the EA behaved throughout the testing period rather than concentrating only on the final return figures. Okay, historical analysis provides useful insight into consistency, trade management behavior, and how the strategy responds under different market conditions. Based on the information provided by the developer, the strategy framework combines Mean Renko candles with moving averages. As we review the provided information here, I can see that okay, this is basically just showing us the EA in action, and then here we have the input settings. So let's just head over to our strategy tester. I'm testing the Renko Scalping EA on gold on the H1 time frame, and I'm using the every tick modeling. I'm testing over the past month. All right, over the past month. And then here, from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit is $8,923. The total trades taken were 23, out of which, well, all of them were profitable, the entire 23. The largest profit was $119. The average profit was $83.61. Okay. And then here I can see that the relative drawdown was 12.83%, maximal drawdown 12.83%. That's kind of fair though. Let's go turn on the visual so we can also see this EA in action. All right. So as we review the chart history, we should be able to observe how the EA interacted with market movements within that structure. The Renko based approach is specifically designed to filter portions of market noise, so that historical chart activity may appear different from what traders are accustomed to seeing on traditional time based charts. Looking through the historical trade activity, it is also useful to consider how the EA performed during both directional trends and periods of consolidation. Since the developer specifically mentions trend identification and market structure clarity as part of the approach, those market environments can provide important context when evaluating historical behavior. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right, a broader testing period often provides a more balanced view of historical performance than a shorter sample. As we continue reviewing the chart history, it is important to stay within the information provided by the developer. We know the EA uses mean Renko candles and moving averages as its foundation. But beyond those stated components, the exact entry and exit rules are not fully detailed in the marketplace description. So, looking at the historical testing performance overall, these results should always be viewed as historical analysis rather than expectations of future outcomes. All right, actual results can vary depending on the risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, the spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. Okay, so overall, the Renko Scalping EA for MT4 offers an automated approach based on mean Renko candles and moving averages, with a strong emphasis on chart clarity and identifying smaller market movements. All right. But as always, before considering live deployment, I recommend conducting your own testing and optimization, to determine whether the EA's historical behavior aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.